Good morning, friends. In our accountancy subject, today we are going to start with chapter number 7, Accounting Standards, Concept and Objectives. That means concept and objectives of accounting standard. Friends, basically, accounting standards are formed to bring uniformity in the preparation and presentation of financial statements, because we have seen that there are different opinion of different accountants which are accepted, and there are different practices of writing accounts. That is what diverse accounting practices. Say for example, whether to value stock by FIFO method or LIFO method or any other method, or providing depreciation by straight line method or reducing balance method or by any other method. So if two different accountants are or two different firms doing similar kind of business are maintaining their accounts by different methods, their account will not be comparable, because there will not be uniformity in the methods, in the practices they have involved in their accounting. So to bring that uniformity, accounting standards are framed so that they will follow that guideline and prepare their accounts accordingly. No doubt these accounting standards are not rigid. That means changes are possible. They permit adoption of a particular practice out of various options available. And these accounting standards are prepared keeping in mind the business environment and law of the country. So whenever there is a change in the business environment or law of the country, changes in accounting standards are also accepted, possible. And if there is a conflict between the accounting standard and law, then law shall prevail. Let us see this in detail. Meaning and concept of accounting standard. Accounting principles, concept and conventions are used in writing accounts and preparing financial statement. As seen in the discussion on accounting principle, concept and conventions, there can be diverse accounting practices. Accountants have different opinion on various practices. Therefore, the same transaction may be recorded differently based on various accepted practices. For example, straight line method or written down value method or any other method may be used for providing depreciation. Stock can be valued by LIFO or by FIFO method. Out of various options available, the choice of a particular practice depends upon the management's policy. If different entities adopt different policies for the same accounting matter, accounts do not remain comparable, and useful conclusion cannot be drawn from such accounts. Therefore, to bring uniformity in preparation and presentation of financial statement, attempts are made at the international and national level to formulate and issue accounting standard. For this purpose, in the year 1973, IASC, that is International Accounting Standard Committee, was set up. On April 1, 2001, IASB took over the responsibility of setting International Accounting Standard. What is ISB? International Accounting Standard Board. If we talk about India, in India, the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, that is ICAI, set up the Accounting Standard Board on 21st of April 1977 to formulate accounting standard. The Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, ICAI, issues Indian Accounting Standard. IASB, that issues International Financial Reporting Standard, with the view to unify the accounting practices worldwide. Now preparation is on in India, also applying IFRS, and ICAI has started issuing Indian Accounting Standard compliant with IFRS. What is IFRS? International Financial Reporting Standards. Let us talk about meaning. From the above discussion, we can see this meaning. Accounting standards are written statement of uniform accounting rules and guidelines issued by the accounting bodies like ICAI or IASB to be followed while preparing and presenting the financial statement. The rules, policies, or guidelines stated by accounting standards are usually for measurement, valuation, and disclosure of accounting information in the financial statement. According to Kohler, accounting standards are a code of conduct imposed on accountants by custom, law, and a professional body. What is it? What it is? It's code of conduct, that is rules, right? Norms imposed on accountants by custom, law, and a professional body. In India, central government, in consultation with the National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standard, that is NACS, notified companies Indian Accounting Standard Companies Rules 2015 on 16th February 2005 to come into force from 1st April 2015. Under these rules, the companies as specified therein and their auditors shall comply with the Indian Accounting Standard specified therein, preparation of their financial statement and audit respectively. Professional accounting bodies such as ASB set up by ICAI, we have seen that earlier, identify areas of accounting where alternative and diverse practices are followed. After detailed deliberation, a draft of accounting standard on a specific area of accounting is issued. Thereafter, suggestions or comments are also invited on such draft accounting standard. Then, after considering all the aspects, accounting standard is issued. In the initial years, sometimes such accounting standards are recommendatory for entities and are made mandatory gradually after some times. So gradually it is imposed. Such accounting standard may be made mandatory for specified entities or they may be made applicable to all entities. So it may be mandatory for some or sometimes it may be mandatory for all. Accounting standard recommends the practices out of diverse accounting practices that are available or evaluates them in details to ascertain acceptability thereof. However, accounting standards are not rigid. They also permit adoption of a particular practice out of various options available. Accounting standards are prepared keeping in view the business environment and laws of country. Therefore, when business environment or laws changes, the accounting standards are revised. In case of conflict between the accounting standard and law, the law shall prevail. So friends, this was all about meaning and concept of accounting standard. In next video we will see objective and uses of accounting standard. Also we will see a list of accounting standard issued by ICAI. Thank you.